Hello, students. I hope all of you are safe and doing well. And I hope you missed me or missed my videos. There is very much gap, and I'm back with my videos, and this is the very interesting video I have prepared for you, that is learn management through movies. Okay, so, hello friends, this is Supriya Mogle, MBA Department, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So, I know you all of you are, you know, all we watch the movies, okay, Bollywood movies or Hollywood movies, but we do watch for the entertainment only, okay. So today I'm going to suggest some movies or recommend some movies from which you can learn some management concepts from these movies. I know you have watched so many movies, but have you watched through this point of view that we can learn management concept from these movies also? So I'm going to recommend some movies and I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's start. So the first movie is Guru. I hope you have watched this movie. It is a very fabulous movie, and it is one of my favorite movie. And interesting movie, and there are so many things you can learn this, like how to start a business, a middle class boy who wants to entrepreneur and who wants to expand his business, how he survive in his life, how he how he becomes successful in this in his business. uh, uh, it is seen in this movie, and you should, you want some capital to start a business, and what he does, he marry a girl and take a dowry, okay, and from his father-in-law, and she is, elder than him by 1 year. Then also he marries to her because only he wants a capital in the form of dowry to start a business. So that is a, dedication to the work, and how he was so dedicated to start a business, how to invest, and how to expand how he has expanded his business, how he has generated the capital, how hard work is really very important in starting the business. So why I have prepared this video, you should you may ask that why madam recommending these movies. It is really very helpful in your case studies. While you are writing the case studies, there are so many stories or so many situations you are going to solve, and you are going to analyze that. If you watch these movies in terms of, or in through the these point of view management concept, then you will understand how it is how it is used in this movie, or how the management concepts are used or shown in the movies. And also when you are writing the theory paper in the marketing or in the other papers also, you should have give some examples. You should give some examples in the theoretical also. So if you do watch these movies, you will understand the concepts, and you can after, for example, one concept is there, that is customer satisfaction. If you read that concept, and after that some you watch some movies which are related with the marketing or some salespersons, then you will understand how customer satisfaction is important, and you will get the idea, and you will clear about that management concept. So I hope you will do this. The next video is Band Baja Bharat, one of the important movie for every management student. Each and every management student should watch this movie. There are so many concepts they have shown very beautifully. For example, innovative ideas for a business. MBA students, they may want to become a manager, or they may want to become an entrepreneur, they want to start their own business. Then you have to watch this movie. You may have watched this, but I am going to tell you some points, and from that point of view you are going to watch this again, and you will understand these concepts which you have already learned in the semester first and second. Okay, so innovative idea for starting a business, you should have some innovative idea, you should have some decent plan, your vision and mission. And to achieve that objective, to achieve that mission and vision, you have to have hard work. Okay, then how to start a business? How to start? There are so many situations you are going to face. There are so many problems you are going to face in your business. And while starting the business, there is a challenge to you. So how do they start the business? It is based on the event management business. And there is one dialogue, that is, चाहे recession हो या inflation, शादियां तो होंगी. So that is the innovative idea. Okay, in the recession or inflation, शादियां तो होने वाली है, और हमारा बिजनेस तो चलने वाला है 24/7 for 12 months. So this is a idea, but business needs contacts and communication. Okay, and event management planners, they they should have contacts with the with the caterers, with the decorators, or with the other things, maybe lighting, sound. There are so many departments. Budgeting means wedding, in the wedding there is organizing so many things, and you are going to have the budget. For example, if you are having 1 lakh only, and the first marriage they have shown in the movie, you should watch that. In 1,50,000 only, they arrange the marriage so beautifully. On their colony only, they have arranged the the wedding, all the other things like catering, the food, the lightings, decoration, makeup, sound, music, etc. They plan very well and execute their plan very well. At that point, one thing is there, they have shown very beautifully, that is, एक बात पे ऐसा होता है कि साउंड के लिए और ऑर्केस्ट्रा के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, तो एट दैट टाइम रणवीर सिंह क्या करता है कि उसके कॉलेज का एक बैंड होता है, जिनको इतनी पब्लिसिटी नहीं होती, तो उनको वो बुलाते हैं ऑन द स्पॉट, एंड उनको बोलते हैं कि आप 2-3 गाने यहाँ पे बजा दो, आपकी भी पब्लिसिटी हो जाएगी और हमारा भी काम हो जाएगा. तो ऐसे आपको आइडियाज आने चाहिए. देन प्लानिंग एवरीथिंग. आप कुछ भी करना चाहते हो तो उसको एक प्लान की जरूरत होती है. तो हाउ डू दे प्लान एवरीथिंग? हाउ डू दे ऑर्गेनाइज मीन्स कौन कौन सा काम करने वाला है. वहाँ पे उन्होंने कैसे डिपार्टमेंट्स को डिवाइड किया है. डेकोरेशन का काम कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट कर रहा है, अनुष्का कौन से डिपार्टमेंट में काम कर रही है, तो वो भी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कैसी होती है वो भी उन्होंने दिखाई है. स्टाफिंग, staff members, and directing, controlling means or observation of the things, are they going well or not. Then the next, after interval, you will understood the how professional life is different and how personal life is different, and professional life and personal life should not be mixed in the business. Okay, if you mixed it, then your business is going to down. देन टीम वर्क, हाउ टीम वर्क इज इम्पॉर्टेंट। इंटरवल के बाद ऐसा होता है कि उन दोनों में थोड़े क्लैशेस होते हैं और वो दोनों अलग हो जाते हैं और देन दे स्टार्ट देयर ओन बट दे फेल्ड, ओके। बट अगर वो दोनों साथ में काम करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, अगर वो अकेले अकेले करते हैं तो उनका काम उतना अच्छा नहीं होता। दैट इज टीम वर्क विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट point in the management, okay। Then competitive market, there are so many competitors in the business. In every business there is competition, and you know they are having the competition, still they are going to have the business, they are going to communicate with the others, they are going to contacts with the clients and convince them to get the business. So all these things you are going to learn from this movie. You should know, you should watch this movie. Then next is Beta. I will not suggest to watch this full movie is based on the management concept, but few scenes are really very important for HR students, human resource management, जहाँ पे एक company है और workers है, worker you know we learn trade union. What is trade union? You are going to learn from this movie। ट्रेड यूनियन लीडर होता है उनका एक, जो सारे वर्कर्स के जो भी कंप्लेंट्स है या जो भी डिमांड्स है वो लीडर जाके मैनेजमेंट को बोलता है। और वैसे ही अनिल कपूर यहाँ पे यूनियन लीडर होता है। और हाउ how they work in the company, what are their policies। अगर वहाँ पे कुछ सीन दिखाए गए हैं, अगर आपने एक दिन की छुट्टी ली तो आपका 5 दिन का पेमेंट और वेजेस कट होने वाले हैं। यू हैव स्टडीड वेजेस एंड सैलरीज, हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू compensate, how they are going to give to the workers over time हो गया। और welfare facilities means they management gives workers that you can see the uniform or the helmets or the shoes etc is given to the workers, that is welfare facilities. Then trade union leader is going to fight against the workers, like workers rights and welfare। Then implementation of new technology means एक सीन में ऐसा होता है कि उनको एक न्यू मशीनरी का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करना होता है कंपनी में, जो कि 400 एम्प्लॉयज का काम अकेले मशीन करती है। और रेजिस्टेंस टू चेंज, दैट मीन्स वर्कर को वो पसंद नहीं है। एज यू हैव स्टडीड इन द HR, if there is any change, workers are not going to work or not going to accept that change। or if you are having new technology in the company, you should aware about that technology। अगर वो टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छी है, अगर वो टेक्नोलॉजी से हमारा प्रॉफिट होने वाला है, देन यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट दैट, ओके। जो वो मशीनरी इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहती थी उसमें बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते थे, और दैट्स वाई workers were not happy to implement that technology। So these are some concepts you can learn from this movie, and you can watch this workers life and workers rights, their welfare, and what is trade union. These concepts you are going to learn from this movie। Then next is Corporate. It is really very interesting movie, uh, starrer Bipasha Basu, and where it is depend on the corporate industry, where two corporate giants who compete in order to recklessly maximize their respective profit. Okay, there is stiff competition, and they have also shown how leadership is important, how competition is going to destroy your company, or there is a, dirty juncture of the business and politics they have shown. And you have to watch this movie to know the dark side of doing business also. And you should know the, why it is important to be ethical and honest. There is one concept in the management, that is business ethics. Means there are some codes and conducts which you should follow while running the business. And if you are doing the politics, or if you are having the dirty politics or in the business, then you are going to lose it. Okay, so you should be very honest and you should be ethical. And why it is ethical, you are going to learn from this movie. Then next is Chak De India. I know all of you have seen this movie, but now I am going to give you some important concepts of the management. And from this point of view, you watch it again and you will understand the how these concepts are important for each and every one. First is leadership. Okay, a leader who is going to lead all the employees. And uh, as there is a manager and who has workers, just like that in leadership there is one leader and everyone is a follower, who follows the leader. Okay, so here the leader is Shah Rukh Khan, who is a coach. And how he leads, how he motivation, a very important point, how he motivates his team. Okay, then teamwork, how teamwork is important, how team building is important, how he builds the team. Okay, that is also you can watch from this movie. Talent management, मतलब हर एक का talent अलग अलग है, हर एक अलग अलग things में specialized है. So as per that, how they are going to manage that talent. देन कोऑर्डिनेशन, अगर आप में कोऑर्डिनेशन है, अगर आप में इंटरेक्शन है, देन आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं उस टीम में. आपने देखा होगा कि प्रोफेशनल वर्सेस पर्सनल, वो लोग पर्सनल होते हैं और उनका वो मैच जो होता है वो बीच में अच्छा नहीं होता, तो उनमें उतना कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं होता है और वो खुद को ही बहुत अच्छा समझते, ना कि टीम से करना चाहिए. तो teamwork very important for the every business or everyone to work efficiently and effectively. Then again personal versus professional. Then competition. उसमें से जो मेंबर्स है टीम के, वो खुद एक एक स्टेट से एक चैंपियन है और उनमें ही कंपटीशन चला रहता है एक एक पॉइंट पे, जहाँ पे वो लीडर जो होता है शाहरुख खान, जो कोच होता है, वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से वो एनालाइज करता है और बहुत अच्छी तरह से वो handle करता है that situation. So these concepts are important for the management, you can learn from this movie. Then next is in Made in China, Rajkumar Raw's movie. uh, uh, in which it is shown that an inspiring entrepreneur who's tried and failed at several ventures, who wants to start a business, who wants to work hard and to become a successful in this business. But he tried for several times but failed. Okay, and then his ideas, okay, his latest and innovative ideas helped him to again to become a successful. To his latest ideas gives him renewed hope. So you should watch this movie. Every business, as I have told you, needs an innovative idea. So in this movie you can learn that. Next is Page 3. Okay, Madhu Bhandarkar's movie Page 3 is a beautiful movie in which you can see the life of journalist. Okay, जहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे कॉन्टैक्ट्स रखने पड़ते हैं, इंटरेक्शन करना पड़ता है, लोगों के साथ कम्युनिकेशन करना पड़ता है। सो यहाँ पे यू विल आस्क दैट मैनेजमेंट का क्या लिंक है यहाँ पे। सो in the starting in this movie, there is one scene where you know an NRI comes to India, and he wants to start the business in the India. And he does not know how to contact the people, how to uh, have a publicity of, or how to advertise, etc. And they have shown one इवेंट मैनेजमेंट प्लानर्स, ओके, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट जिनका बिजनेस होता है वो प्लानर उनको हेल्प करते हैं। तो वो कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? दे इवेंट मैनेजमेंट जो प्लानर्स होते हैं वो अलग अलग इवेंट्स अरेंज करते हैं, तो उनके कॉन्टैक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, उनका इंटरेक्शन बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ होता है। तो वो उस एनआरआई को, जो बिजनेसमैन है, उसको डील देते हैं, ऑफर करते हैं कि हम आपके लिए एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे जो बड़े लेवल पे होगा, जहाँ पे हम अलग अलग लोगों को, अलग अलग इंडस्ट्रीज, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट्स और बॉलीवुड हीरोज और पॉलिटिशियंस को हम बुलाएंगे और आपकी उनसे interaction करवा देंगे। Then it will lead to have contacts, it will lead to increase the interaction, it will lead to increase the communication, और जहाँ पे लोगों से बातें होंगी, पहचान होगी, तो आप आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट में फायदा होगा, प्रमोशन होगा आपका। तो एक इवेंट मैनेजमेंट प्लानर भी एक एनआरआई को बिजनेस के लिए हेल्प कर सकता है। वो एक सीन मुझे अच्छा लगा जो मैनेजमेंट के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। Then Rocket Singh, the salesman of the year, one of the interesting and one of the fantastic movie of Ranbir Kapoor. You should watch this movie where average students, okay, उसको 39% सिर्फ मिले हैं ग्रेजुएशन में, जो अपने दादा के साथ रहते हैं और उनको मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स में ही करियर करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है। तो वो क्या करते हैं, ओके, सिर्फ अपने कम्युनिकेशन और इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स के दम पर वो अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके, हाउ रिस्क टेकिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इन द बिजनेस। अगर आप रिस्क लेना ही चाहिए बिजनेस में, अगर आप रिस्क लेते हो देन यू विल have some ideas, then what are the marketing strategies are there, then how to become an entrepreneur, how to start a business, how to become a successful in the business, or only on your interpersonal and communication skills. So in this movie you are going to learn this. The next is Badmash Company. Again this movie is based on the business idea only. यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही अच्छा डायलॉग है कि बड़े से बड़ा बिजनेस पैसे से नहीं, एक बड़े आइडिया से बड़ा होता है। ओके, सो business needs idea, business need innovative idea. In this movie the four people who have just completed their graduation and want to earn the money, and they want to have some innovative idea. Oh, okay, and they were doing some smuggling. Okay, you can ignore this, means they have shown some smuggling expensive foreign goods, but आप यहाँ पे क्या सीख सकते हो कि वो क्या करते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट के कुछ रूल्स होते हैं, गवर्नमेंट के कुछ रूल्स में वो लूप होल क्या करते हैं, वो फाइंड आउट करते हैं, जिसमें से आप उस लूप होल के थ्रू आप बिजनेस कर सकते हैं। वो यू नो they don't want to pay the tax, import duty. They avoid that import duty, and they mm, find their niche market, they invest in that and become successful. बट आपको इस मूवी से क्या सीखना है कि बिजनेस आइडियाज़ कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट किए जाते हैं, और कैसे आप बिजनेस एथिक्स इज हाउ इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। आप अनफेयर प्रैक्टिसेस बिजनेस में नहीं कर सकते। थोड़े दिन के लिए आपको प्रॉफिट मिल सकता है, लेकिन बाद में आपका बिजनेस शट डाउन हो सकता है। सो बिजनेस एथिक्स वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट part of any business. What are the ethical things and what are the unfair practices in the business, you should know, and you should think of it, and ये सब आप इस मूवी से सीख सकते हैं। The next is Bazaar. In this movie you will get the idea about share market, how it is worked, how to invest in the share market, how to expand the business expansion ideas, how to analyze a solution. Saif Ali Khan and Radhika Apte, they have acted very well in this movie. You should watch this movie, and बहुत सारे things आप इससे सीखने वाले हैं इस मूवी से, और आप थोड़े भी बोर नहीं होंगे, आई एम श्योर। देन these were the movies you should watch. This was the part one, and in the next video, in the next part, we are going to have some Hollywood movies from where you can learn some other management, concepts. And I hope you enjoyed this movie, and I'm sure you are going to watch these movies. Please watch these movies, and if you like this video, please comment in the comment section which movies you like the most, and which movies is help you to understand the management concepts. I'm waiting. Thank you.